Hey guys, want to see how I made this ski tuning rack for like 20 bucks? Stick around, I'll show you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how I put together this ski tuning rack that I made for like $20. As you know, I guess it'd be pretty expensive with if you have a family to be taking all your skis down and get them tuned. So this isn't a ski tuning video, it's just that part of the problem of getting skis tuned was having some kind of rack to set it up on. So I just did a little research on the internet of what it takes to kind of hold these things, and I made this one out of more or less some scrap lumber, a couple of pieces that I had to buy, but really cost next to nothing. There's a couple of ways to use it. We'll go through the parts and components. I'll drop down in the description a link to the actual plans for it if you want to build it yourself, and it kind of goes through the measurements and stuff for it, but let's take a look at it. So just some of the design parts that I've kind of put together when I made this. I made it, it's just basically a 2x4 on the bottom. This can slide into my Craftsman workbench here so I can secure it down. You can also secure it to a workbench like the standard one like this with just a couple of clamps. That'll hold it there as well. Main components are these two pads on the top. So the pads are this it's that non-grip or non-slip fabric you can put into like drawers and stuff like that. So I just staple those onto the top, and when the skis go onto the top, you're not going to want to move around very much. All you need is a little bit of pressure. So by taking one of these bungee cords, hooks it onto there, and with the tension on the second ski, it's going to hold them both there. So when you're doing your edges or your bottoms with the waxing, it's going to be able to not move around on you. So it's got some tension on there, and that helps you out a lot. It does have the ability to put a snowboard on here, so it'll fit for both. So the snowboard goes on here just the same. Again, the bungees will just attach underneath to wherever you can hook it onto. And you have the same thing. Friction doesn't allow it to move around. And then if you want to work on your edges, you can work on them from the side here as well, or you can actually put it vertical into the slot here. By doing that, you can work on your edges in this way and have a nice sturdy thing to put on. Again, if you want to pick up your bungee cord, that'll help it out as well. Hey guys, even though this isn't a video on ski tuning, that's for another day, I will show you this kit. This is the kit I picked up off of Amazon that I use all my skis with. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in that. Save you a lot of money in the long run. Well guys, there you have it. Not going to break the bank for 20 bucks of the scrap wood that I used to make it. I thought I'd show it in action here at the end there, just how I tuned up a few sets of skis there. Like I said, I will leave the kit that I use in the description if you want to check that out. And as well, you can find my plans for this ski rack down in the description as well. So if you got any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. Otherwise, I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.